Step into the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.